A very beautiful morning, all of you. Today we will see the last past tense, past perfect continuous tense. So it is a perfect also and continuous also. So perfect में से helping verb लेगा और continuous में से before लेगा. Had verb had he और continuous में से before. Okay, but it is a new tense there. That's why be is there between them. है ना? So here. Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had been plus past present participle ing form of the verb. So he had been playing cricket since childhood. She had been suffering from fever for a long time, and the gardener had been watering the plants since morning. So these are the subject plus had plus been plus present participle. Okay. Now interrogative sentences. Had plus subject plus been plus present participle. So had he been playing cricket for since childhood, had she been suffering from fever for a long time, and had the gardener been watering the plants since morning. Then negative sentences we have to put just not after the helping verb. He had not been playing cricket since childhood, and she had not been suffering from fever for a long time, and the gardener had not been watering the plants since morning. Then now interrogative negative sentences. Had plus subject plus not plus been plus present participle. So had he not been playing cricket since childhood? Had she not been suffering from fever for a long time? And had the gardener not been watering the plants since morning? Now uses of the past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used in the following ways. Okay? Now, the action in progress throughout a period. The action in progress throughout a period. जब हम एक एक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे जैसे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में क्या है कि एक्शन शुरू हो गई है, जब हम बोल रहे तब शुरू है, चालू है और आगे भी चालू रहने वाली, सेम एज पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. ओके, बट यहाँ पे एक्शन तो ऑलरेडी डन ही हो चुकी है ना. सो एक्शन इन प्रोग्रेस थ्रू आउट अ पीरियड, यहाँ पे पीरियड ऑफ टाइम लेना जरूरी है. क्यों? क्योंकि एक्शन तो हो चुकी है. सो टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन विच बिगेन इन द पास्ट एंड कंटिन्यू अप टू अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट, कुछ समय के लिए वो चालू ही रहने वाली थी, ऐसा यूज करने के लिए. लाइक व्हेन आई विजिटेड इन कोलकाता, जब मैंने उसकी कोलकाता से उसको मिला, he had been working there as a medical representative for 4 years. तो 4 साल तक वो मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव तरीके से काम कर रहा था. तो काम करने की एक्शन उसकी 4 साल तक शुरू ही थी, चालू ही थी, जब मैं उसको कोलकाता मिला था तब. Okay, so for that we use a past perfect continuous tense. They had been playing in the park for over 3 hours before I called them. वो 3 घंटे से वहाँ पे खेल रहे थे. मतलब तब जब मैं उसको बुलाने गया, पहले से खेलना शुरू कर दिया था, तब भी खेल रहे थे, और मैं जब बुला रहा था तब भी वो कितने देर तक खेलेंगे मुझे नहीं पता. सो 3 घंटे से तो खेल रहे थे और आगे भी खेलेंगे शायद. जब मैं उसको उन लोगों को बुलाने गया तब, वो तब की बात है. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. The doctor was very tired because he had been operating the patient since in the morning, 7 बजे से. That is why doctor was tired. Okay, he had been living in Delhi for 10 years before 1995. Now, some verbs like learn, lie, live, read, sleep, sit, study, stand, work, wait, etc. naturally suggest continuity and often occur with the past perfect continuous tense, which since unfold, and also questions begin with how long. For example, how long कैसे भी है, कितने समय तक, तो past perfect continuous tense होगा. When we first met Mr. Gupta, he had been working with Good Luck Publishers for 20 years. Okay. Depending on the context, Mr. Gupta was still working for Good Luck Publishers then, or he he had recently changed the job or retired. Okay. With continuity verbs, simple or continuous form are often interchangeable. In the above example, Mr. Gupta had work could be used, and the only difference is the continuous tense put more emphasis on continuity. Okay, bhadendipili. Now, repeated actions. Past perfect continuous tense is used to show that an action was frequently repeated. Okay, like the teacher was angry because Anil had not been doing his homework for a whole month. टीचर बहुत गुस्से में थे क्योंकि अनिल पूरे महीने होमवर्क नहीं लाया, तो उस होमवर्क नहीं लाना कंटिन्यू था उसका, तब टीचर गुस्सा थे. Mr. Sharma was annoyed because Mr. Gupta had been calling him every day. Okay. I was annoyed Rakesh had been teasing him every day for a whole week. For repeated actions. Okay, now drawing conclusion. जैसे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के अंदर भी लिखा है, जब कोई एविडेंस हो, प्रूफ हो, इसलिए ऐसा होगा, तब हम उसके लिए यूज करेंगे. ओके, कोई चित्र देख के ऐसा करना, कोई ड्राइंग देख के ऐसा बोलना, ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन इट्स एविडेंस और प्रूफ. Like the past perfect continuous can be used to show the conclusion of an action based on direct or indirect evidence. As Ragini looked tired, she had been working late at night. Her eyes are red. It was obvious she had been studying late at night. And Lata was praised because she had been resting the whole day. Ragini looked tired. So he had been working late night. Work किया होगा. Her eyes are red. It obvious she had been studying at night. आंखें लाल हो चुकी थी. Obviously she had been working late at night. And Lata was praised. Lata fresh दिख रही थी. शायद वो ने whole day पूरा दिन आराम किया. Okay, now it is our drawing conclusion or a proof. The past perfect is commonly used when the activity was definitely finished. Then the past perfect continuous is normally used when the activity was not completed. Then past perfect tense, activity is already completed. Okay, when I reached the station, the train had already left. So had left we use past perfect tense because train जा चुकी थी. When I reached the station, the train had been going on, ऐसा हम बोलते हैं. ओके, जा रही थी और whatever. So for continuity दर्शाने के लिए हम past perfect continuous tense यूज करते हैं. और अगर both the action had done, so for before action we have used past perfect tense. Okay, so when I got home, I found that mother had finished his homework. जब मैं घर पहुंचा तब मदर ने उसका काम पूरा कर दिया. That is the job of doing his homework was definitely finished at the time. And the second, when I got home, I found that mother had been doing his homework. कभी भी मदर होमवर्क कर रहा था तो it is not completed action. So that is the job of doing homework was not completed then. Okay, so now here it is our exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple past, past perfect or past perfect continuous tense. Pakistan dash for the cricket match many years before it dash with India. So 3 tenses. I will not give you an answer. So do it yourself today. Okay, we have completed all the tenses of past tense, tenses and their uses part 2. We have completed and hope that you will get an idea the uses of this all past tense. And in our next video we will meet with the new chapter, tenses and their uses 3. It's all about future tense. Till then, goodbye, Sarah.